guys, and welcome to another camper renovation. Today, we are going to upgrade my trash can. Now, I got this trash can because it's big and I can fit a lot of trash in it, but it's so big that it's always in the way. So I got an idea. Let's move the giant thing. I never use this cabinet because the trash can's always in the way. So we're gonna install a pull-out trash can. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. We're just gonna install the hardware today, and then we'll have a easy access trash can that slides in and out. And then there's no more need for this big guy. So let's go grab our hardware and our tools and start installing. To start, I'm going to cut out this middle shelf and then check my opening to make sure it matches with the hardware requirements for the garbage can. I'm using my cordless DeWALT multi-tool blade that will allow me to cut straight into the board with minimal damage to the cabinet. Once I got the shelf out, I'm grabbing my cordless DeWALT vacuum to clean up a little bit. I always like to keep a clean workspace. I feel like it helps me always get a better finished product. I have my garbage can here all assembled and my install instructions. I trimmed off a little bit more of the cupboard so that it's the width of my garbage can hardware and it all fits. And I'm going to staple some boards in here really quick to attach everything all together, and then we're gonna have a pull-out trash can. Amazing. I'm going to double check the measurements of my garbage can hardware just to make sure I've got my space just right. Then I'm gonna measure the inside of the cabinet, and I'm gonna need to attach some filler pieces to bring the cabinet out so that it fits perfectly with the hardware. Be careful to use screws that don't go too far into the camper so you don't puncture any existing water lines or electrical wires. All right, we've got the hardware in. I made sure it was flush with my furred out parts of my cabinet. Moment of truth. It pulls out. Wow. Now let's just put the thing on. Boom. Got a bin for the bags and a bin for the trash. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. Look at that. Now I just gotta put the door back on. Put this all together, bin there, and then trash bags. So nice that these are gonna be right here. Got a little big bag in the way. This is gonna be so freaking nice. Now I don't have a big trash can in my way. I can get through to the bathroom easy, and the trash is hidden. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another camper renovation today. We love a camper upgrade, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have camper upgrade ideas, camping hacks, or you just want to see some fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy camping!